Hey everybody, this is Todd Smith. I have to go on a little bit of a rant about Zoom hearings and how I've seen some lawyers really kind of let their dress code slide. Um, Maybe it's because you're in your own house. Maybe it's because it's a video conference. Maybe it's because it seems informal. But a Zoom hearing before a court of at any level, uh, county court, district court, appellate court, is a court hearing. It's the power of the state being exemplified through an elected official, and it's really not a matter of whether you should put on a tie or not, or put on a jacket or not. These are important proceedings that should be treated accordingly. And so, for lawyers in particular, it's just hard to imagine any reasonable excuse for not appearing, at least from the waist up, in the kinds of clothes that you would wear to court in any other circumstance. You know, Witnesses, I suppose it depends on the nature of the witness. I had a Zoom hearing this past week where we had an expert witness, a forensic CPA, testifying, and we asked him to go ahead and put on ordinary court garb, and so he was wearing a suit and tie. And the CPA on the other side appeared by telephone, and I think I can't say that impacted the court's decision, but I think it does show the proper amount of respect and decorum to have witnesses certainly appear in court appropriate attire. I can't believe that I'm even having to go on this rant. It's not like me to go on a rant, but this is something that I've actually seen debated in Twitter, and I have witnessed a lawyer showing up for a hearing in what looked like a rumpled golf shirt, and I just don't think it played very well to the court. That lawyer wasn't representing any parties in my case. It was another matter that was being called on the docket at the same time. But I was there in my suit and tie from the waist up. As far as anybody knew, it was a suit and tie. I looked professional. My co-counsel looked professional. Our witnesses looked professional. And the other sides, to some degree, did not. In my case, and for that lawyer in the other case, did not. And so, this is just a reminder. We may all be getting a little stir crazy now and getting some cabin fever, and hopefully the world is gonna, things are gonna continue to get better, and we're gonna be able to resume normal life. But for the time being, this is how things are. And if you want to be taken seriously as a lawyer, either by the opposing side or the court, you should dress the part when you're in court proceedings. So, rant off for tonight. Have a good weekend, everybody. Thanks.